So that is how I made my quick turmeric oil. Okay, so you can use this to lighten your skin. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how I prepare my turmeric oil. So here we have our turmeric powder here. This is turmeric powder. So this is coconut oil. How we prepare this coconut oil is on my YouTube channel. So join us as we're about to prepare this. So I want to pour the powder here. Coconut oil. You have to soak the turmeric powder with the oil. So we are going to leave it like this. Leave it for 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. So this is 5 minutes later. Okay, so I want to sieve it. I want to double this cloth. So as it is like this, I want to put it inside this plate. That is how I made my quick turmeric oil. Okay, So that is how I made my quick turmeric oil. Okay, so you can use this to lighten your skin, your face. This is skin lightening. Okay, so it will settle down more inside this glass. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. Bye bye. Mwah.